Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Peachtree accounting software. So its name now is the Sage 50. So Sage 50 is formerly known as the Peachtree accounting software. So as you can see right here, just have to visit the Sage 50 accounting website. Okay, so I am on the website right now, right here. Okay, so here since we cannot log in or sign up for an account because we don't have the account, so what we're going to do here is to take a test drive. Okay, but of course, if you are planning to have or create your account, you have to contact them. So they have their contact details right here. So you just have to simply click on it and then message their contact number. Okay, so I already logged into my test drive. Okay, so let me just click on my okay right here. So once you have your account or you're already signed up for an account, you will have your dashboard right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have our business status right here at the top left. So here we can see our account balances. Okay, and then we have our vendors to pay details, our revenue, and then the customers who owe money. Okay, and then when we scroll down, we also have here different graphs. So we have age receivables and then the age payables. So we have these details right here. Okay, now right here we have our customers and sales section. So here on the customers and sales section, as you can see, we have here our customers and sale task. So here, when you open this section, we have the new customer, view and edit customers, write letters to customers, and then set up customer default, view and edit your contact. So if you want to have your new customer, you just have to simply click on it, and then you have to add the details of your new customer. So this is how it looks like. So make sure to put every information that your customers has. Okay, so you just have to close this section. And then for the customer management, okay, so right here we have here the customer ID. So we just have to search for our customers. So just type out right here the customer ID. Okay, or you can also use this section to find your customer. Okay, so you just have to input right here the name of your customer, and then after that just click on the find option. Okay, so right here on the vendors and purchases section, okay, so you'd be able to see here our vendors. So this is the list of our vendors. That's right. And then if you would like to see the detailed list, you just have to simply click on this one. Okay, now for the checks, if you want to write a new check, you just have to click on it, and then you have these options. So if you want to create a new check, you just have to click on it. Or if you want to print your checks, just have to simply click on this one. Okay, now going back here on the inventory and services. Okay, so here on the inventory services, as you can see, we have here our list. Okay, that's right. So this is our inventory list right here. So if you want to view the detailed list, you just have to simply click on the section. That's right. So we have here the item ID, the description, the item class, the price level, and then the last unit cost. Okay, so we have here the full details. So we have here the price, we have here the ID. So after that, you just have to close the section. Now let's go to the inventory service management. Okay, so right here on the inventory service management, you just have to find the item ID. You can also find the item using this text right here, or find their name. Okay, now let's go to the employees and payroll section. So here you have the list of your employees, right? So here, if you want to create the payroll, just have to simply click on this payroll setup. That's right. So we have here the payroll settings, set up employee default. You can also download tax updates, set up employee default, and benefits for an employee. So you just have to simply click on your choice. Okay, so for example, Scroll down right here, and then you have here now your recently used employee reports. So if you want to show the report of this employee, you just have to click on the view option. So you have here now the payroll register details. That's right. Okay, so now let's go to the banking section. So here on the banking section, as you can see, you have here now the list of your bills to pay. That's right. So this is the vendor name and then the vendor ID. And then, of course, the amount that you have to pay. So let's view the detailed list of this section. That's right. So we have here the total amount that we have to pay. Okay, that's right. Now let's close this section. Now for the apps and services. Okay, so right here, as you can see for the apps and services, if you want to connect your bank feeds, so you can simplify your bank reconciliation and save time entering the transaction. So you just have to connect this one. And for the invoice payments, if you want to add a pay now button to invoices and accept payments through popular providers such as PayPal, Stripe, and Microsoft Pay, you can also connect this one. Okay, so we have here other apps and services. So if you want to update the password for your Sage apps and services and get enhanced security, you can also manage the security options right here. So here at the top, as you can see, we have these options. So we have here the list of our customers, the vendors, the employees and payroll. Okay, so we have here the maintain option section as well, the task, the different tasks. That's right. And then we have here the analysis. We also have here the reports and forms, the services. So let's go to the reports and forms. So here, for example, let's go to the payroll section. Okay, so we have here now the detailed payroll checked information for the current period by employee. So make sure to click on it. Then you have here now the current earnings report. Okay, so you have here the full details of this report. So if you want to explore this tool, just have to visit their website, and then you just have to take a test drive. So again, if you are wondering why they changed their name, okay, so our focus here is the name change was not about changing the product itself, okay? So it's more about unifying Sage's accounting solutions worldwide under the Sage brand. So customers everywhere would recognize it as part of one family of products. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.